mar Siaya wadhi nyime Jood bura mag ODM kod mag UDA obago romo ma kanyakla kar dak makane ne bura Nairobi kama gitwake weche mamulo kanyakla margi kod winjruok e kindgi to kod weche mamulo telo ma piny Kenya. Achiel kuom weche magiloso en wach ma nyocho wache gi jatend piny ni nitie Jood bura ma kwayo asoya kokalo e komiti magi. Jatend piny William Ruto kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga otelo ne romo makama.
And we have the historic opportunity to make this country what we have always wanted it to be, but it has not been. As I have said, the same way Raila Odinga can stand here and tell you we must stop the wrongs, I have also said that I am ready to pay whatever price to make this country change. Yes, we must change this nation. And we can do it. Look, housing was part of our conversation for the last 30 years. Yes, we've always talked about housing and how important it is and how it is going to create jobs, how it is going to stop land fragmentation, how it's going to allow us to produce, to save land that is meant for food, how we are going to have decent housing, how we are going to reduce on slums, how we are going to have decent livelihoods. We've always said that.
In that call for unity, we have seen, as Honorable Juneta said, and Honorable Aaron Cheruyot, a lot of synergies, not just in the two houses, I believe, in both the Senate and the National Assembly, but a lot of synergy even within the executive with coming into government of many of our colleagues from ODM. And we particularly note the efforts of the Honorable John Buddy, who is here, and I don't say it because he's a former member of Parliament, but he has him and the Honorable Aden Duale and others who came from Parliament have really worked very well with these members, not just to foster unity amongst us, but also to advance the government agenda in the broad-based government, and we appreciate their contribution to the nation and to making our work easier.